The Lamborghini Revuelto screams Lamborghini DNA. Sharp angles, Y-shaped LED lighting, massive air intakes, and an aggressive stance make it look like a fighter jet on wheels. But it's not just about looks. Aerodynamics play a huge role with active flaps and sculpted surfaces designed to keep the bull charging at maximum speed while glued to the asphalt. It's futuristic, intimidating, and unmistakably Lambo. Now let's pop the hood and take a look at the heart of the beast. The Revuelto pairs a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 with 3 electric motors. Together, they produce a jaw-dropping 1,001 horsepower. That power launches the Revuelto from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.5 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 217 mph. But it's not just a straight-line monster. The hybrid system not only boosts performance, but also allows for short all-electric driving, making it as efficient as it is brutal. Okay, now let's get inside and check out the interior. Welcome to Lamborghini's bold, futuristic cockpit. The cabin is wrapped in premium Alcantara, carbon fiber and leather, with Lamborghini's signature Y-shaped design running across the dash. But what about technology? The Revuelto doesn't disappoint. It features a plug-in hybrid system with regenerative braking, a drive mode selector with new hybrid-specific modes, and an advanced stability and torque vectoring system for ultimate cornering precision. And when it comes to connected features, the Revuelto has you covered with wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. It's Lamborghini embracing the digital age without sacrificing its analog soul. So what's it like to drive this beast? On the road or track, the Revuelto feels like controlled chaos. The V12 screams, the electric motors fill every gap with instant torque, and the AWD system keeps you planted through every corner. It's brutal, yet refined, an adrenaline shot that proves hybrids can be thrilling. So is the Lamborghini Revuelto Hybrid 2025 the ultimate supercar of the future? Absolutely. With over 1,000 horsepower, hybrid technology, and unmistakable Lamborghini style, it marks a new era without losing its iconic roar. That's our 4-minute review of the Lamborghini Revuelto Hybrid 2025. Would you take this hybrid bull over a Ferrari or McLaren? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more supercar reviews.